Welcome back to How to Authority. Now, if you need the serial number of your AirPods, well, there's several different ways of getting them. By far the easiest one is to look on the box itself. If you still have it, it should be displayed right down the sticker. Though if you don't have the box, well, the easiest way is to instead look on the AirPods themselves. For ones like these, simply look under the lid and you should see in tiny writing the full serial code of the device. Or if you're using the AirPods Max, the serial code will appear under the band. However, one thing to keep in mind is that with AirPods like these, the case and then the individual buds each have their own serial number. So if you look on these ones, you're going to find that both the left ear and the right ear have a different serial number as well that you need to keep track of. If you don't want to bother with that, or if you just don't have the eyesight for that, then there's another way you can do it via iPhone. Once they are connected with your phone, then simply go into settings like this, and from there go on Bluetooth. Your AirPods will then display, and then you hit on the little eye icon on the right hand side. Then you scroll all the way down until you see the serial number right there near the bottom with all of the other important information about your buds. Finally, you can also do it via any desktop or laptop Mac. Simply go into the Apple menu, followed by System Settings. From there, near the bottom, you'll be able to select the AirPods if they're currently connected, and once again, your serial number will be displayed. Okay, so that's all the how, but now what about why? Why would you ever even need the serial number of your AirPods? Well, the most common use case for that is for troubleshooting. For example, if you're getting in touch with Apple customer support over some issue with your product, they will most likely require the serial number so they can better assist you and to validate that you even own the product. And they'll be able to gather much more information about how to help you just from that set of alphanumeric characters. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to find your Apple serial number for your AirPods, whatever type you use. If you like this, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.